If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and go high level, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI tools, and you don't need to be super technically inclined. In fact, all of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. In this checklist, it's going to include free tutorials. It's going to include a list of over 130 AI tools that you can get paid to promote, done for you emails, also done for you short form content that you can start posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and a bunch of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is subscribe, drop a comment, let me know that you're taking action, and I'm going to send you all of this right now in a response. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first thing you want to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, boom, grab your free checklist, and it'll take you to the next page where you can have direct access to the playbook. Now, on this first page of the playbook, it's basically just a checklist where it just goes over some questions, how you can create a funnel, different things, which I'll be going through later. And then once you complete the things, you can hit done, not done, just trying to keep everything super organized. But, so first thing, click on the Get Started tab. First thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab this 14-day free trial of a tool called Go High Level. Now, this is a tool that I use for all my marketing automations, and it even has a social planner, which I'm going to be showing you guys here shortly. Now, once you get this, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks like this, and this is going to be your account. And really the only thing that you need is marketing, automations, and sites. Sites is what we're going to be using to create a funnel, and then automations is where we're going to be able to create sequences to where someone opts into our funnel, then we can send them a bunch of emails. And then marketing, this is where the social planner is, which allows you to schedule out all that done for you content that we have. And just real quick, there is a $25,000 free giveaway going on for an AI tool called Spotter Studio. And if you notice on my channel, I'm a pretty new channel, but I have been using, let me log in real quick. I've been using them, or this AI tool, to go ahead and find different outliers for different YouTube videos that allows me to create content. So what you would do is just go to outliers right here. And then let's say I want to look up something on AI tools. So it gives me all the different videos right here as far as outliers. But we can do something where we can filter by upload date, subscriber count. But I just really wanted to show you guys this real quick because they have a really cool, like I said, giveaway that's going on, that if you opt in, that it gives you a chance to win $25,000. It's a free trial too. So I would go ahead and just grab that, because this has been helping me, helping me extremely with how I'm able to create content and find different ideas. So let's go ahead and hop back in the video. Let's go over here to get started here. So once we go ahead and grab that, I would suggest just go ahead and schedule in a free kickoff call with me. This kickoff call will allow me to kind of help you set up all your systems and everything, making sure your emails are getting sent. And for some reason, sometimes I don't get that you've scheduled a call with me. So go ahead and shoot me an email. Or what I would suggest is I do have a Discord group that you can join completely for free. And that's where I'm active most of the time as far as I have my notifications on. So if someone DMs me, I'll get that notification. But all right, once we have Go High Level right here, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and import my snapshot. And what a snapshot is it basically takes all of my systems and frameworks that I'm using in my account, and it's going to directly import them into your account. So all my custom values, all my emails, all my sequences, all my funnels, everything like that gets directly imported into your account. And that is why one of the reasons I suggest you book that setup call or kickoff call, because it's going to just exponentially expedite the amount of time that you can get up and running and start generating traffic and driving traffic to different links. So once you do that, next thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and start on the front end of things and go ahead and build yourself a funnel. And this is the digital playbook snapshot funnel. And you'll be able to get this when you sign up or import my snapshot. And what this is a lot of the traffic that we're going to be getting is going to be coming from the short form content that you're posting on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. And when someone clicks on the link, they're going to want a little bit more information about what you were offering. And I like to just make like a 10-minute long form video that gives them a little bit more explanation. Right here, I have a header, but it could be whatever niche you're in. If you're talking about AI tools, you could be talking about fitness. It doesn't matter. And then right here is just an opt-in form for when they fill in their first name or their full name and email. It takes them to the email sequence that we're going to be building out next. So once you have that funnel built out, a lot of it is already done for you, which is really good. We're going to go ahead and go back to automations. Now, email automation is pretty simple. So when someone puts in the information or a contact created, they get put into a pipeline or a funnel, and then they get sent an offer right here, which is the free checklist that we're giving away. And honestly, just a side note, if you guys don't know what to promote as far as the tool goes, just go ahead and promote this checklist that I give you. As far as the digital playbook, I give you access to be able to do file and make a copy. And the whole point is you want to try to build your email list. So by all means, I give you complete commission, or not commission. I wish I give you complete permission to just make a copy of this and use this as your own, to use as a free lead magnet. So when you get the snapshot, you already have this done for you funnel that gives them access to the checklist, and then just some follow-up emails too, to make sure that it's appearing in their inbox. Now, like I said, you don't have to promote the checklist, any AI tools, but I'm just giving you guys the frameworks and the tools that I've learned that have a lot of people not struggling, but they're just confused on to how to even get started. So one of the things is let's say that you are promoting, like right here, this is a trigger link. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go back to a different funnel because I just made that one. So I want to talk about something called a custom value real quick, because when you import this snapshot, if there weren't custom values, that means that all my affiliate links would be in your sequences. So what I've done is I've imported something called a custom value, where all these hyperlinks right here, when you click, then you click add link and custom affiliate link, that's where you put your affiliate link, which I'm about to show you. If not, that means that every time that you send out an email, my affiliate link would be in there. But all we have to do is just go to settings, custom values, and then you would just hit new, make the name of whatever you want the custom value to be. This is where you would put your affiliate link, and then you would hit create. I'm not going to do that because I already have one. Boom. And then boom right there. So every time someone goes and clicks on that link, it gets directed to one of my affiliate links. So we got the back end, we got the front end. Now, before we talk about the social planner, we need to talk about AI tools and which one we're going to be promoting. So I give you a list of a bunch of different AI tools. I would go with one of the top picks up here, just because I've used them, I still use them, and I like these a lot. But let's just go ahead, and I already have Go High Level open up. Most of the time, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to find that most of these softwares have affiliate programs. So all you would need to do is just go to affiliate program, become an affiliate, create an account, and then you will get an affiliate link that looks like this. And that's the link that you would go ahead and post in your custom value. So once you have that, next thing that you need is to start creating short form content. You can create or replicate. Now, if you're just starting off, I would just go to the IG Reels section and just download a bunch of these done for you short form videos. A lot of these videos have been just replicated from creators over here that have generated a bunch of comments and likes from the posts that they made, which means that it works. And if it works, don't try to reinvent the wheel. So we've already done that for you. So you would just download one of these or download more than these and then upload them onto your social planner. That's one of my things that I'm going to be doing in the next couple of days is let it load here. But I have all November. I had November already done. And now I just got to go ahead and do December. So I don't have to worry about creating content. And it just saves so much time. So what you would do is you'd want to go ahead and connect your different social media accounts. I would just suggest starting with just a couple. So the ones that have been working best for me are YouTube and Instagram. But let's say you have a following on Facebook, then you would just want to just go ahead and stick with Facebook. But you would just go to settings, boom, connect your social medias. And then once you do, you just go to create new post. Let this load real quick. You would create new post and then just pick which social media account you want, type in your comment, and then boom, upload a video. Now you would just hit upload file, and then you're able to upload all the different files into your Go High Level Media account. And then let's say you don't know what to do for a caption. I mean, that's where Go High Level comes in. You can just type whatever you want as far as, I don't know, you can be whatever. Right here, you can see that I have image pictures, or image prompts. So what I've been doing is using this tool called Replicate, and it lets me create 3D images of myself. As you can see right here, this is something I made since it's been around Thanksgiving. But let's say just type in something like Micah's with robots. And so this is what I do for short form content. Let's just see how this turns out. I'm kind of going off script here, but let's just do this. So if you want to, while this is loading, if you want to know how I'm able to create these AI images, just go over to the digital playbook. And then if you want to scroll to right here, I'm setting up your avatar. It shows you how to set up replicate, create an avatar cloning yourself. Just watch this video right here. Let's go back to, where is it? Replicate, boom. Okay, that's pretty cool. My face is kind of weird, but yeah, this tool is amazing. So let's go ahead and go back to the digital playbook. So we got the 14-day free trial. If you need help, I can help you set it up. We got the imported snapshot. We started creating short form content. And then here's our list. So just wrapping everything up, if you want to get started, if you go through this step by step, you will be able to start creating content and start generating traffic. Now, you're not going to be able to make money if you don't have any traffic to send your links to. So that is why I recommend at least creating one form of content every day. And that is why I give you some done for you content, because I know, like myself, when I was first getting started, I didn't want to be on camera, let alone make content. So this is going to help you guys get started. Right here is just some different video prompts that you can use, as far as not video prompts, but text prompts to use inside of Go High or use inside of ChatGPT. But That is all for this one, AI pros. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will see you in the next one.